So why the change? For the past 20 years, North Georgia Replacement Windows has been helping homeowners transform their homes with beautiful windows and doors. What began in the bedroom of one of our owners' homes has grown into a Georgia-wide company, known for its expertise and commitment to quality. In the early days, we offered more than 24 window models. But almost 10 years ago, we made a bold decision to only offer the very best. That's when we partnered exclusively with Infinity by Marvin fiberglass windows and became the brand's exclusive dealer for the entire state of Georgia. Our mission has always been bigger than products. We exist to be more than a window company. Our desire is to make window and door shopping simple and to deliver a customer experience that exceeds expectations at every single step. As we've grown beyond Metro Atlanta into communities like Athens, Peachtree City, Sharpsburg, and even Savannah, we realize our name, North Georgia Replacement Windows, doesn't reflect the reach of who we are today, nor where we want to go in the future, both within Georgia and beyond. That is why we are excited to share our next step. North Georgia Replacement Windows is now NG Windows. It's a small change, but a meaningful one. Our website has always been ngwindows.com. Now, our name matches the company we've become, a window and door leader serving homeowners and communities across Georgia. Even our trusted partner, Infinity by Marvin, recently refreshed their look, which serves as a reminder that great companies evolve while staying true to what makes them exceptional. While our name and logo are getting a refresh, what's not changing is just as important. Same ownership, same team, same commitment you've always known. We're providing the best windows and doors in the industry, delivering exceptional customer service from start to finish, and helping homeowners make window and door shopping simple. We're proud of where we started, we're excited about where we're going, and we're grateful for the opportunity to bring more light to the communities that we serve.